Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a group of kind-hearted kids named Maya, Aiden, and Leo. This village was known for its warm-hearted people, but they faced a terrible problem, a water shortage. The only well in the village had run dry, and the villagers had to travel long distances to fetch water. Maya, Aiden, and Leo decided they wanted to help. One sunny morning, the three friends gathered at Maya's house to brainstorm ideas. Aiden suggested, "What if we dig a new well for the village? It will be hard work, but it will solve their water problem." Leo nodded in agreement, but Maya had another idea. "Instead of doing it ourselves, why don't we involve the entire village? We can organize a well digging day, where everyone can contribute." Excited by Maya's idea, they went to the village square and shared their plan with the villagers. The idea was met with enthusiasm, and everyone agreed to participate. They decided to set a date for the well-digging day. As the day approached, the villagers brought shovels, buckets, and snacks for the hard-working volunteers. On the chosen day, young and old, strong and frail, they all joined forces. The kids worked tirelessly alongside the adults, digging deeper and deeper into the ground. Hours turned into days, and finally, they hit water. Cheers of joy erupted as clean, cool water gushed from the newly dug well. The villagers celebrated their success, knowing they would no longer suffer from water scarcity. The kids' determination and unity had not only brought water back to the village but also strengthened the bonds among its people. They realized that when everyone worked together, they could overcome any challenge. Over time, the kids continued to help their village in various ways. Maya organized gardening projects, Aiden started a reading club for the children, and Leo initiated a cleanup campaign to keep the village clean and beautiful. Word of their good deeds spread far and wide, attracting the attention of nearby towns. People from all around came to visit the village and witness the power of unity and kindness. Inspired by the kids' actions, neighboring villages started similar community projects to improve their own communities. The moral of the story is that no matter how young or old you are, anyone can make a positive impact by working together and showing kindness. Maya, Aiden, and Leo taught their village that small acts of kindness can lead to big changes, making their village a better place for everyone. And so, their village prospered, not just in terms of water but in the hearts and minds of its people, thanks to the kindness of three remarkable kids.